If you want to know how I built this sliding door, you have to keep watching. In the previous episode, I upholstered the bed and made storage spaces. And I mounted the TV on a sliding rail. In this episode, I show you how I built a sliding door for the bathroom. I want a protector for my cooktop so I can use it as extra space when I'm not cooking. Let me know in the comments what you think. Please help the channel and give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.